Greetings from KKR's Castle. Hope you're doing great. This month, October month, at the beginning of the month, I've thrown a challenge. Saying that I'll be doing one drawing per day. So I could not do that. You know what is the reason? Just follow me. The mobile holder got broken. So I have tried different ways. To complete that, complete some drawings, but trust me, I could not manage it. This mobile holder which I was using from past few months, like from till lockdown, I think 4 to 5 months I've completed. It is quite strong. It's an excellent brand. Okay, so what I've done, I took break. Then I've ordered 2 holders. Okay, I'll show you that. I ordered 2 holders. I really appreciate this brand, Xstore. Hope you can see the brand Xstore. Okay, this is really quite worth taking it. It really supports the online teaching. It gives so much of comfort. It gives so much of comfort. Okay, and see, this is not a promotion. It's really worth explaining to my YouTube subscribers where they can purchase it. You can Google this brand in Amazon. Okay, if you want, I'll try to give link below my video. Okay, this is one thing. And apart from that, I also ordered few important gears for my online teaching as well as YouTube drawings. So I've also ordered very important materials which is required for present situation, which is online, right, to teach or to my YouTube channel. I've also ordered few important materials which supports my YouTube channel and also for my online teaching. Say bye to old one. Thanks for the support till now what you have provided. Thank you so much. A salute to you. Bye bye. And welcome to new one. So I bought the new one which I told you, right? This is the brand. You can check in Amazon. You'll get it. It's quite strong. The stability of this rod is also quite strong. It can hold. This won't move just like that. It's quite strong. I was so harsh in using the end of it, because if you see, this is quite good, quite strong. You can bend this one. It won't bend just like that. You need to give so much of pressure to bend it. This is quite strong, trust me. And apart from that, the edge here, I was so rough in bending here at the end. So I got that knowledge, so I'm not using so roughly. With that, I bought 2 more, right? So this is one, and I also have one more, the safer end. Okay, this is one thing. And I also got this drawing board holder, which is like drawing board, which has this excellent support angled one. This will come down. Okay, there are 2. You loosen this will come down like this. If you want to increase it, you can even do that. It's quite good. You need to tighten these edges, these 2 edges. Okay, so it will stand like this. It gives so much of pleasure to handle this one. and the brand is Bristow. You can see this name, right? This is quite comfortable for me, because when I previously used to draw on the table, this one, right? So I need to lean forward to do that, but this is quite comfortable for me. With that, I also covered one video on Bristow pencils. I bought this part, this one also, graphite one. Really, it works very great with the works on the paper very well. I really loved it. It's like my personal opinion. You can differ that, but I really appreciate the brand and the material quality what they are supplying. I'm very impressed, because I also recommend others to go for it if they want to become more professional. And I want to create one more video on the quality of the pencil. See, this pencil cost me around 240 to 260 around, so I don't currently remember the price of it. Yes, it's cost below 300. Normally you will get a brand around 50-60 rupees. You will get set from HB to 90, 80, right? But this has cost involved in, huge cost, right? Person who is learning cannot afford this amount. But I recommend, because if the works are in detail, if you are able to draw well, pretty well, then you need to uplift your materials also, the gears what you are using for drawing. You need to uplift that. You need to invest some amount to maintain those drawings, right? Otherwise you will be losing it. Okay, and I bought this tape. I really don't appreciate this brand. This is quite damaging. It damaged my paper. You can see this one. Okay, if I remove this, the paper will go. I've already used it in one of my drawing. It totally damaged my paper. You can see this. It has totally damaged my paper. I don't recommend this masking tape. I think this is not used especially for papers. Okay, this might be used for the wood cutting one. I wrongly bought this one. This is not worth taking it. Okay. Yeah, I also bought this one. Popular board clips. This gives a support to my drawings. Clips which are there. Okay. It's a holding clips where paper will not move. So I have selected few and bought it. I have 4 clips in one set. There are 4 clips. You can see there are set of 4 which will be mentioned here in the top. Like that, I have ordered 3. Okay, worth taking it. Go for it. And I also ordered Tombow Mono pencils, quite costly. It says about 12. You can see this, 12 pencils. It costs me around 2,600 change, which is almost all 250 or 240 rupees one pencil. Really costly. And to check the quality of this, I'll also give you a special review on this one especially. Right, 3,000, 2,526, worth spending one video on this. Okay. And I also bought Canson drawing book. It's a 90 GSM. This is not pure white. There's somewhat yellowish tint it is there. This is only used for pencils. Don't use any other work on it. Yes, I've done 2 works on this. I recommend only for pencil, not with the color pencil. I've struggled a lot to create color pencil work on this sheet because GSM is less, right? It is 90 GSM. The thickness of paper is less, so to give that color pencil effect on the sheet, colorful drawing on the paper, to give multiple coats, multiple layers, so it won't support that GSM. So I recommend for pencil. Yes, pencil works. I've created a good drawing on this. I'll be uploading the video after this. Okay, after this video there will be continuous videos which will flow. As I promised, I am planning to create decent videos, around 16 videos in few days. I need to cover up the gap. I'm still taking up the challenge. I'm not leaving the challenge. I'm sure I've done 7 to 8 drawings uploaded as a challenging part. Today is 23rd, 24th. I have 2-3 days time where I'll be trying to create as much of videos and uploading those into my YouTube channel. Do encourage me by liking the video, sharing and giving a comment, and share it to as many as possible. Thank you so much. So let's go with that. By end of the video you will see a drawing which I've recorded with these things. Okay, stay tuned.